This video will show you how to replace the front sway bar link on a Mazda 3. This is part of your front steering and suspension located behind your front wheel. A quick note about this job: when you're replacing the front sway bar link, you do them as a pair. The process for one side of the vehicle will be the exact same thing as the other. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing we have to do is safely raise and support the front of the vehicle so the wheel's off the ground. Once you've completed that, you're going to remove all 5 of your 21mm lug nuts and the wheel. Now that we have the wheel off, we have a clear view of our front sway bar link. Let's start all the way up along the top where it connects to our front strut assembly. For this, you're going to use a 16mm for the mounting nut, but you may find that you have to hold the shaft of the sway bar link. If you are looking at the very tip of the sway bar link, you're going to find a port where you could use a 5mm Allen head socket if necessary. Sometimes you can just get this off of here using your 16mm. Let's dislodge that sway bar link from the front strut assembly. Make your way down to the bottom of the front sway bar link next. Now we can remove that front sway bar link. There it is, friend. Now that we have that out of position, before installing a brand new front sway bar link, we always like to clean and inspect mounting surfaces. We'll start up along the bracket on the front strut. After that, we're making our way down to the sway bar. Nothing's rotted, weak, or damaged there. Let's continue on with the installation. We'll get this in position along the strut here. Once we have that slid into position, continue on with your brand new mounting nut. Now we're not going to tighten that yet. Let's make our way down to the bottom next. Now at this point, you can angle the studs of the sway bar link as necessary. Just go ahead and line this up and press it into the sway bar. We have our brand new mounting nut for the lower aspect as well. Now once you have both pieces of hardware started, go ahead and snug them up, and then I'm going to torque them to 25 foot-pounds. Now let's do the same thing for the bottom mounting hardware. Now one last quick inspection in this area and we can reinstall our wheel. Once you have your wheel in place, start on all 5 of your 21mm lug nuts. Bottom them out, we'll get the wheel safely on the ground and torque each of them to 100 foot-pounds. Now we have the wheel safely on the ground, we're going to be torquing these in a crisscross manner to that 100 foot-pounds. Torqued. Okay friend, we showed you the installation of one side of your vehicle's front sway bar links. The process for one side of the vehicle is the exact same thing as the other. Once you've completed the pair, go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test and listen for any odd noises. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.